Hey beauty lovers! So picture this. You wake up, look in the mirror, and boom! It's a bad hair day. We've all been there, right? But don't worry, today I've got you covered with 10 life-saving hacks to turn that hair disaster into a fabulous masterpiece. Alright, let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Dry shampoo is your best friend. Seriously, it can be a total game changer. If your hair looks greasy, just spray a bit on your roots, massage it in, and voila! Instant volume and freshness. Hack 2. Embrace the messy bun. Messy buns are not only trendy but super easy to pull off. Just gather your hair, twist it up, and secure with a hair tie. Tug some strands loose for that effortlessly chic look. Hack 3. Use a silk scarf. If your hair just won't cooperate, tie a cute silk scarf around your head. It hides the mess and adds a touch of style to your outfit. Hack 4. Braid it up. Braids are a great way to manage unruly hair. Whether it's a simple 3-strand braid or a more complex fishtail, it keeps your hair in place and looks stunning. Hack 5. Hair accessories are a must. Think headbands, clips, and pins. They can instantly transform your look and distract from any hair mishaps. Hack 6. Magic with mousse. If your hair is flat and lifeless, a dollop of mousse can add incredible volume and bounce. Just apply it to damp hair and blow dry for best results. Hack 7. The half-up, half-down style. This one's a classic. Just pull the top half of your hair into a ponytail or small bun. It's quick, easy, and super cute. Hack 8. Tease and spray. For an instant lift, tease your roots with a comb and set it with a bit of hairspray. It gives you that bombshell volume in no time. Hack 9. Curl those ends. If your hair is looking a bit blah, grab a curling iron and just curl the ends. It adds a touch of glam and makes it look like you put in way more effort than you did. And finally, Hack 10. When all else fails, rock a hat. Seriously, a stylish hat can cover any bad hair day and make you look effortlessly cool. So there you have it, beauties. 10 quick and easy hacks to save you from any bad hair day disaster. Remember, confidence is key, and with these tips, you'll be ready to take on the world no matter what your hair decides to do. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time. Bye.